not morning anymore. It's like after 12 o'clock. I'm just getting up. Well, not just getting up. I'm just leaving my bedroom. There's a difference, right? There's a difference. So since I'm just getting out of my bed, I'm not just getting up. Whatever. I haven't taken anything out for dinner. I'm hungry. I am legit hungry. What's up with my hair? I am hungry. It's 12 o'clock. And I waxed my eyebrows, so I'm getting better. I just need to shave my armpit. Like, I need to nair my armpit. My husband hates hair under my armpits. I don't know why. I'm like, well, I don't have you shaving your armpit, do I? Like, why do I have to live up to these olden days where women have to be smooth and, you know, and you over here all hairy and stuff? Good morning! Good morning! Look at my sweet babies. I'm hungry. The same routine every day. Go figure out the light switch. Mommy. Got it though. My husband made fried plantain. What's for dinner? Everything's frozen. It's like 12:30. Yes, ma'am. I'm gonna bother. I'm gonna call my husband and tell him to pick up dinner because you know I don't have a card. So I can't really go anywhere. Destiny has $20, but she's stingy with her money. I have to clean up my kitchen. I'm gonna go have my coffee outside. Let me see what it's looking. Yeah. So I'm gonna go have my coffee, and then I'm gonna come back to you guys. I have a headache, so bad. Whew. We're going upstairs because we gotta have a conversation. We're gonna have a conversation. You know, we're gonna have a conversation because I promised y'all a vlog a day. I don't think that's gonna happen. It ain't gonna happen for two reasons. First, I'm gonna give you guys a little update on my situation. And secondly, there's motion at your front door. Hold on. It's been hard. It's been really hard. No matter how much I try to get up and be great, or no matter how much I try to get back to normal or, you know, be normal, I just can't shake this. I can't. Depression-wise, I've been good. I've been okay. Go with the flow, one day at a time. You know, as many of you may know, I used to plan. I used to plan my whole entire life. I don't do that anymore because I find that brings on anxiety for me. So I stopped doing that, and I've been just day by day, one day at a time. And moving here, I can't say I regret it. But in terms of my anxiety and my depression, it's getting better. I would love to see more progress in terms of getting out and getting outside, and you know, because sometimes if my husband does not come home and open the windows and let sunlight in, I don't touch the windows. I don't go near the windows. It's just something about opening up my windows that brings on anxiety for me. Or going near the doors and stuff like that to go outside. It brings on so much anxiety. And but my husband always encouraged me to, you know, go outside and, you know, don't let other people steal your joy. And I do that from time to time, but it's still not, it doesn't come from me. Like, it has to be forced for me. I feel like I have to be, like, it's not natural, like, to get up and just go outside and go places and stuff like that, because I don't like my environment. I really don't like my environment. I don't like where I live and stuff like that. I don't feel safe. I don't feel, you know what I mean? And I'm constantly looking over my shoulder and who's around and stuff like that. So I don't like my environment. And then the whole thing that happened with the neighbors and stuff like that is that played a part in me slowly sinking back into this place of just not wanting anything to do with life, period. You know, and I worked way too hard to have that snatched away from me, you know what I mean? And I can't blame my environment for that, you know what I mean? I just think that I wasn't ready. And, you know, and then there are other factors that I haven't said anything about, I haven't mentioned. As you all may know, I keep my personal life off of YouTube. Like, I show you guys stuff, but that is just not my real life. That is not reality, you know, and you guys will never ever get to see reality. You see the real Janice, but you don't see reality. You don't see my real life, and that will never ever be on camera. And yeah, there's just a lot of stuff that I keep to myself, basically. And I work through it, and you know, sometimes it's small victories, but it's victory nonetheless, and I appreciate that. And the reason why I'm back, or I'm coming back, is because this is something that helps me a lot. Like, making YouTube videos and interacting with you guys helps a whole lot, you know what I mean? And I want it back, you know, basically. But there are days when I don't get out of my bed until 12, 1 o'clock, you know, and yeah, it's just, and then I spend, you know, the whole night just awake, you know, basically. But I'm trying to bring the vlogs and stuff back, but I'm rambling. Anyways, yeah, that's all I wanted to update you guys. Okay, so dinner is going. I'm making some curry chicken, but it looks like fricassee chicken. But I'm not putting any more curry in here, because I put a little bit more brown in than I should have. And I'm about to put some water on this and let it cook down, and then go pick some thyme out of my garden and put it on here. What are you looking at, Rob? Look at Rob, guys. Look at him. Look at that. He's out here just ghettoizing the program. Get some thyme. I love coming to pick my thyme. Nice and fresh. Nice and fresh thyme. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Yes, I just picked thyme. You smell it, right? I'm gonna wash this. Close it. Close that screen door, Destiny. Drop it in. I love getting fresh thyme from my garden. Smells so good. Oh my gosh, it smells like heaven up in here. Let that cook down. Let that cook down, and then dinner's ready. Rob and I are hanging out on the deck. Oh Lord, what is he doing? Babe, what are you doing? Babe, look at Rob. What are you doing? He has no shame in this game. Look at his belly hanging out. Oh Jesus. Rob has no shame. Rob is out here tanning with his white self. You can't catch a tan, you will burn. You have to have melanin in your skin to be able to tan. Oh, thank you for the little shade. But I'm just hanging out on the deck. You're right, because I'm getting copyright on videos like 5, 6, 10 years ago. I'm like, really? Really? They are annoying. My brother gave me a song. They copyright that, claim some person. I'm like, really? On the teeth, on the 2 teeth. But Rob and I are gonna hang out outside and Jesus. Guys, I want to tell y'all so much right now about our little vampire neighbors, but I can't say nothing. I'm gonna shut up. Chat too much. Chat too rotten much. But basically they want people to act like we're a vampire. Living in a ratted house in the dark. I'm not a vampire. I love the sun. I love being outside. I love the outdoor. Sorry. I'm not really sorry, but I don't love outside, you know. I don't like being outdoor, no. I don't like to be outside. Let me speak proper English. Because once the Jamaican come out, they come out. It just can't go back in. But I don't like to be outside. But I don't like people to tell me what I can and cannot do with my house. Like, I don't like people tell me what to do. And I feel like when you tell me what to do, me do the opposite. You know what I mean? Even if I never did like being outside, me go like being outside. No, I'm gonna annoy you too. Backside. How you gonna come tell people how to live their life? Live your life. I don't care what you want to do. You do what you want to do. Me, I go do what me want to do. Don't tell me what to do, okay? Me's a grown woman. I want the backside, this man. You must think they're Cuba in there. It's not Cuba in there. Show backside, man. I can't bother with him, you know. Between him and the neighbor, them, I don't know who hurt my brain more. How's your athlete foot doing today?
I gotta treat it.
You gotta treat it? Where you get athlete's foot from?
Just
Because the way you take care of your foot, nothing shouldn't wrong with it.
just being in the
You see how my foot always just that door walk palm floor? I say if you beat up foot, our foot will be alright.
You don't have work boots on 14 hours a day.
You always tell me where me not.
Sometimes more. Do you have work boots with steel toe in them?
It don't matter what me have, Rob. You want your video there? You want your belly there door?
I don't give a fuck.
Alright, and don't give a... No, don't cuss in my video. I have children watching. We can't show you Rob today. We can't show no Rob. Sometimes, you know, a lot of people might ask where he is and why he's not in the videos. You know why Rob is not in the video? Because I can't censor him. I cannot censor him. I can't control what come out of my mouth. And I can't control what he gonna say or do or how he gonna look. Sometimes he just gonna be naked, no boxers, no nothing. You know what I mean? We just living our best life, you know, and this is our best life. Whatever your best life may be, you live it, all right? Because we are gonna live for we, all right? So be happy. Be happy. Don't worry. Be happy. That's what Bob Marley song go, babe.
You're Jamaican.
I want the backside this man. You Cuban. He not Cuban, trust me. He not even close. But me can't stand, you know, one thing I can't stand is bougie Spanish people. I can't stand them at all backside. Shoot. Me can't do it at all. It's too rotted bougie for me. Me know where I come from. And trust me, I see a place where me I come from, it look just like where me I come from, where you are come from. So don't come here and act all brand new like say you used to, you know, nice things. You're not used to nice things. Be grateful that you have nice things. But, you know, don't come act like say it's you're used to from day one, like a silver spoon you're born with in your mouth. No, you're not born with no silver spoon in your mouth. You come from the ghetto, just like how me come from the ghetto. You understand what I'm saying? So don't come up here, come act like say you are this and that. No, don't do it. Alright? Sure. There's this lady on YouTube, not YouTube, Facebook. She goes by teaching you my cooking skills. She's from Jamaica. And she does a lot of videos on people that are in need and want. Right now she's trying to get, well, a lot of people donate to this young girl. She has 5 kids. Her house recently burnt down. Like she had a 1-bedroom and it burnt down to the ground, flat like nothing. If I ever want to be appreciative in life of what I have, I just go watch some of her videos because it teaches me to be humble and to recognize that the stuff that I have, a lot of people would probably just, you have to be grateful in life for what you have, because what I have, a lot of people don't even have, not even 1% of it. So you gotta be grateful, and you can't come from nothing acquire a whole bunch of stuff and then act like you the no, don't do it. Don't do it. You okay? And don't try to force that ideology on me, because what you believe in versus what I believe in is two different things, okay? How you raise your kids and how I raise my kids is two different things, and I would never ever try to tell you how to raise your kids. So you don't tell me how to raise mine, okay? Okay? As long as they come out to be decent human beings in society, I don't give a crap. All right? So, yeah. Anyways, I'm going to stop my ranting because I've been ranting for like 6 minutes straight. So, yeah. I'm going to catch up back with y'all after my curry chicken done. My rice already cook up my rice. And I'm a rice cooker, you know. Me bougie now because one time I used to burn up the rice because I can't cook rice in a pot. I can't cook rice in a pot because me just don't know how to cook rice in a pot. So now me bougie. I'm very bougie. I don't mind me titty nipple them because I might titty nipple. I don't know why me have to hide me titty nipple. I'm my titty nipple. You have titty nipple. Everybody have titty nipple. Don't act like you never see titty nipple. It's my titty. And don't act like you never see hair on the armpit. I have the hair under my armpit, okay? I have ear under my armpit. You have ear under your armpit. You have ear in places that we probably shouldn't visit. But guess what? Me not gonna tell you what to do with your hair. So don't tell me what to do with mine. All right? All right. I'm getting old. It's nighttime. We done ate dinner. Hang out downstairs. Get ready to give Maddie her bath. Please run Maddie bath for me, please. She's been pooping all day. Say hi. Y'all been pooping all day. I need a bath, Mama. Okay, I'm gonna give this one a bath. Why is your pillow wet? What do you mean? You need a new pillowcase? A what? I don't know. Maybe you were drooling. But I'm gonna go take care of this child. And I think I'm gonna call this it for. You didn't drool over your pillow? You want me to change your pillowcase?
Really? Drool?
That's a drool? Is it wet?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay, I'll change your pillowcase for you. But this is it, peeps. I'm gonna go take care of this baby. I'm gonna catch y'all tomorrow to something. I'm gonna catch y'all tomorrow.